Welcome, dear viewers, to our exercise 3 of PowerPoint presentation. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. The question says, the table below shows the content of slides to be used during a talk at Mount Gathabi Technical Institute. Use it to answer the questions that follow. We open a presentation program and create the slides as they appear using appropriate slide layout. We save it as in the class talk in the folder that we created. Therefore, we'll be required to proceed to our folder. Then we create a new presentation and provide the name given. Therefore, we open our folder. We can maximize our folder. We just right click. We press new. Then we click the file named Microsoft, the program named Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then we type the name provided for our file, that is in the class talk. After that, you can double click the file to open it. We maximize the page. Then we proceed to new slide. We click on the button down here under the new slide. Then we are going to use a blank page. So we click a blank page. We can zoom a little bit. After blank page, we will proceed to insert, because if you check keenly, you realize that we have the slide number 1, which has shapes. These are shapes. Therefore, we click on insert, then we click on shapes. After that, you can check on the appropriate shape that was used. Therefore, under the flowchart, I can pick this shape here. I click it just once, then I drag it to draw it to fit. After that, I can click on format. I click on this button. I choose black and white. After that, I go back to insert under the shapes. We can click on under the flowchart again. We use this shape. I click on it. I just draw the shape. After that, I long press on this green button to rotate my shape. Then I can proceed to format. I click on this button, then I choose black and white. So if you try to type on this shape that we have just inserted, you can see the text direction of this information where it is looking at. Therefore, you click on the button for home under the ribbons, and then you click on the text direction. You rotate the text to 90 degrees. You click the second one, rotate the text to 90 degrees. So you can see that you can be able to type your information without any difficulties. We can click the first one, then we type the information which is provided for that. So we said whenever we have the errors, you just right click, then you press on add to dictionary. After that, we can just press on this first shape. You click on copy, then you click paste. After you paste that, you just move it or you drag it across, then you edit the text that is provided for that slide. Then you type the information which is meant for that particular shape. So I'm done with typing the information given. After that, I proceed to insert. Then I click on text box. I click on text box. Then I can draw my text box here. I type the information which is provided for that text box. Therefore, we just type. So that is it. We are done with the first slide. After that, we proceed to the second slide, whereby you can see the information that we have on the slide 2. So we need to choose a slide. We go to new slide. We pick the title and content. Under the title, we type the information provided. So that is it. I can highlight that text. Then I reduce the size so that our text can fit in one line. So you just reduce the size. After that, we have the smart art shape. This one. Therefore, you click on insert, go to smart art. You can choose the pyramid. You click on the first one, on this one, and then you press OK. After that, you can click on change colors. You can be able to choose any color of your choice. So let's just pick the first one. Then you click inside to fill the information provided. So we are done with the second slide, and therefore we proceed to the third slide. Therefore, you click on the home tab, you proceed to new slide, then you click on the title and content. Under the title, we key in the information provided. So we are done with the title. Therefore, we click under the content part. We proceed to insert. We click on the clip art. We have a picture of a computer. Therefore, under the search tab, you search for computer. Then you click go. So it searches the pictures. Therefore, you can scroll downwards. Then you pick that picture which is provided. After that, you can close your clip art. Then you increase the size of our shape. or of a picture. You just increase it a little bit. After that, you click on insert, then you proceed to shapes. And down here under the callouts, you can pick this shape. After you pick it, you long press and draw it down here. Then you click on the yellow button to rotate the direction of those shapes. Then you can click on format. You click on the button for more options. You choose the first color for the black and white. After that, you go again to insert under the shapes, still under the callouts. You can pick this shape, then you long press and move your cursor to draw that shape. Then you click on the yellow button to rotate the direction of that shape. After that, you proceed to format. You click color black and white. After that, you go to insert, click a text box. You can draw the text box here. You align it to the center, then you bold the information inside. So you type the information provided first. Click enter, then you type the next information. Click enter again, then you type the information. After that, you click on the green, this one, then you rotate. This one is used for rotation. You can rotate the text to fit the area that you need. So after that, we click on these shapes just once. Then you start typing inside those shapes. Click the other shape, then we type the information for that. That is it. So after that, we are done with slide 3. So we are going now to proceed to slide 4. We proceed to slide 4. So we just click on the new slide. Then we pick title and content. You click under the title. You type the information which is provided, which is statistics. So if you check on the text, the statistics of counties having information centers, the way it appears here is different from how it appears on our page. Therefore, we select the information. Then we click cut. After that, you click on the title bar. Under the keyboard, you click on the delete button to remove the title bar. Then we proceed to the program for the word processing. Can maximize it. Then I paste that text that I copied. I place it at the center. So before I format this text, I click on File first. Then I click on Save As. Under the Save As type, I click on the button. Then I choose Rich Text Format. And I just click Save. After that, I highlight that text. Then I proceed to insert. I choose word art. I pick the first one. Then you press OK. After that, you click on the Home tab. Then you click Copy. After that, you can close the Word program. Click Save. Then you click the button Yes. After that, under the Home tab on your page for Microsoft PowerPoint, you click on the button for Paste. Then you can be able to long press and move that text. And then you can long press on the right side to expand that title. So you can see that we have the exact information as provided. After that, we proceed to insert. We click on table. Then we choose insert table. We have the number of columns and the number of rows, whereby we have 5 columns and we have 6 rows. So we have 5 columns and 6 rows. Then you click OK. After that, this table styles appears automatically. Therefore, you press on more options. You choose this one to have a table which is black and white. After that, you select these cells. You proceed to layout. Then you click on merge cells. After that, you can click on the Home tab. Then you bold. Then you type the information provided for that. So the information you just type, they will fix automatically. They will fill automatically. Once you click enter, they fill automatically. You just press enter to increase the size. I said whenever you have an error, you just right click the text. Then you click on hand to dictionary. You right click the text. You click on hand to dictionary. So after that, we are done with slide 4. Therefore, we proceed to new slide again. We choose title and content. Under the title, we type the name provided. Click under the content. You backspace to remove the bullet. Then you click on the bold and you click on italic. Then you reduce the size, you decrease the font size just once to remain with size 28. Then you type the information provided. Click enter, then you type the other information. So after that, you come down on this, you long press on the left side of the mouse, you move the cursor to reduce the size. Then alongside this line you'll have the plus button. You long press and move it downwards. After that you come to the green button to auto rotate. So you long press, then you just rotate your text. Then after that you click on the insert button. You proceed to the clipart. Then under the search, we are going to search for cartoon. So you type the name cartoon, then you press go. So you can see that we have the clipart for cartoon, the one that we need. So you just press it, close the clipart, you long press the cartoon, then you move it and place it wherever you want to place it. So we are done with slide 5. After that, we proceed to the next questions. We have these questions. The first one says, you perform the following tasks in the class talk presentation. Therefore, we insert a footer with the text information is power. The content of the footer should appear in all the slides. So we insert a footer, then we provide the text information is power. Therefore, we click on insert button. You proceed to the header and footer. You click it. Then you click on the button for the footer. Then you type the name provided, which is information is power. So you just type that text. Then you press on apply to all. Once you apply to all, you can see that the information has appeared in each slide under the footer. So we have the information is power as our footer. After that, we have another question that says we apply the dissolve transition and the shape animation on slide 2. So we go to our program, then we click on the slide 2. You proceed to transitions. Then you click on the button for more options. We need a dissolve transition. Under this, we choose the dissolve transition. You just click it once. This one will not apply it to all because they only want it to appear on slide 2. After that, we say we apply shape animation still on slide 2. So I proceed to animations. You can see that they are inactive. So to make them active, you click inside where you have the smart art or where you have typed any information on that particular slide. So it makes them active. Then we click on the shape animation. So you can click on the preview to see how the shape animation appears on that slide. After that question, we now are requested to apply the angle design on all the slides. We apply the angle design on all the slides. Therefore, we proceed to the design. We have different designs. For example, this one is named adjacency. We have the second one here, which is named angles. So each design has a name. For example, this one is Apex. You can see that one. Each one has a name. That is Aspect. That is Austin. That is Black Tie. So we come to this. You can see that it has a name which is Angles. So you click on that one. So that is the angle design. After you apply the angle design, we have another question which says we insert a slide at the end of the presentation containing your name and the index number. After that, we save the changes to print out later. With the presentation as handouts with the 3 slides per page. So we first insert a slide at the end of the presentation. Therefore, we will click on the slide number 5, that is the last slide. We proceed to the Home tab. We come to the new slide, and then we choose Title Only. You click to add the title, whereby we are requested to type our name. So we can type name, your space, followed by your index number. If you don't have an index number, you can type an admission number. If you don't have an admission number, you can type your phone number. Therefore, I just space. Then you can be able to type maybe a phone number. Yes, so that is it. After that, you can click on the file button. Then we click on save. After we save, we are requested to print with 3 slides per page. Therefore, you proceed to the file button. On the file button, you click on the print. We said we have the slides down here. You click on the button. You can choose 3 slides. So it means that in one slide you print, in one page you print 3 slides. So that is it. That is our print preview. After that, you can go back to home. We click on file, then we click on save. So that is the end of our presentation for the exercise 3 of the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Kindly remember to refer us to your friends. Subscribe, like, and share the videos. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.